Hi dear, good morning. I am Mandeep Kaur and holding student number is 200457674. Today I am going to present my C++ final project, and I made this project on one game, that is Tic Tac Toe Game. So now I am going to show my all the code which I write for this Tic Tac Toe Game. You can see here. This is my all code, and I am going to explain this all code, and I will show you how this works. And here I write one header file, that is hash include iostream, and here I create the array of numbers, that one from 0 to 9, and I create three functions. One is check winner function, the second is capital M main function, and the third is small m main function. In these functions, this is function to run the code, and here the player 1 and choice, and here the players. Here I write the print statement to enter the number, and here user will enter their numbers according to their choice, and it will check the number is available or not. I write these if and else statement to check if the user input number is available in the array or not. Okay, if the user input 1, then it will check this number is available in the array or not. If not, then it will show 0 or something like that, or ask the user to try again because this number is not available. Otherwise, if number is available, then it will show in the grid. Okay, so you can see here I write the if and else statements. Here I write one print statement, that invalid move or try again. If that number is not available, the user input, then it will show invalid move, try again, and you can try again because this number is not available in the array. Here I write some functions like that, and here the while loop, and it will return the main functions. And I write this print statement. This will show who is win this game. If no one is win, then else statement will run, and it will show game is drawn or something like that. Here it will show the player number, player names like that, and this will show who won win this game, and show the name of that player and say congratulations to him or her. If no one is win, then it will show game is draw. Okay, and here I write the code for this. And this one is check win functions, and this function will check these numbers are available in the array or not. This is square 1 is equal to square 2, square 2 is equal to square 3, means like that. If and else statement, if that number is available in the array, then it will show in the grid. Otherwise, it will show the first number that will they enter. Okay, and here I will write the if and else statement, all like that. You can see all my code. Here are the numbers that are available in the array. You can see here. If the numbers are available, then it will show in the grid. Otherwise, it will return 0 or something like that. Here is the capital M main functions. And I write this print statement to of the game, name of the game. Here is the Tic Tac Toe Game. You can see here this one, and here the player's name. Player 1 has the symbol X, and player 2 have the symbol 0 or O, like that. And here I make the grid of 3 into 3. There is 9 numbers, so I make the grid of 9 numbers. So you can see here. Here I write all the print statement to make this grid. You can see. So that's all my code. You can see from the beginning. This is the array, and these ones are the function which I made to run this project. Okay, so now I'm going to run this code. And you can see here, I will make this bigger for you. Okay, and here is the name of the game, Tic Tac Toe, and here the player 1, player 2 have the symbol X or 0. It will ask the player 1, now the player 1 turn, it will ask the player 1 to enter any number. So like that I am enter 6, it will player 1 have the symbol X, so on the place of 6 it will show X. Enter, and it will show X on the 6 number, and it will ask the player 2 to enter any number. So I like 5. It will show the 0 on the place of 5, and it will again ask the player 1 to enter any number. Then I will 3, and like that it will show the X on the, so like that. And player 2 have the symbol 2. Enter. Now I enter the 1. Player 1 has the turn. Player 2 will enter 4. Now the player 1 turn. Player 1 will enter 7. Player 2 turn will enter 8. Now the player 2 has win because he win this game by the vertical 0 0 0 or O, because he win this game, and it will show the message like congratulations, player 2 win this game. Okay, so that's all my project, and here are the presentation slide which I made. I made this project on Tic Tac Toe. You can see Tic Tac Toe is a very popular simple game for 2 players all over the world. Traditionally, one person plays for X while another plays for O. Tic Tac Toe is played on a 3x3 grid by 2 players who alternatively place the marks of X and O in the 9 space in the grid. And the player who succeed in placing the 3 of their marks in a horizontal, vertical or diagonal row is the winner. It is solved game with the forced draw, assuming best play from both players. The aim of this game for player is to win by filling X or O in any row, column or diagonal of the main board. The game sets player thinking because the player should reflect a little bit on strategy and predict some moves of the opponent. So it teaches the people to make decision quickly. This game is very interesting and make people to make decision quickly. This game is also called Noughts and Cross or X's or OS. Tic Tac Toe is a game that is traditionally played by being drawn on paper, and it can be played on computer or variety of media. The next slide is the Tic Tac Toe design, and here is the Tic Tac Toe design which we drawn to play this game. We can play drawn on the paper or in the computer or like that. Here are the methods. Methods are functions that belong to class. Method is the concept of object-oriented programming used to organize the program and reuse the same code again and again throughout the program when required. For example, the main function in C++, by default, a function is public. It can be accessed in anywhere in the entire program. It is called by its name itself. It has the ability to return value if needed. If function is defined, it will be the same for every object that has been created. Okay. And here are some headers 5 which I used in this project, like hash include stdio.h, hash include iostream.h. And here are the method that I used in this program project. I use small m main function, check winner main functions, and capital M main function. There is a small m main function. First, it will show the turn of the game, means which has the turn now. Then it will message to enter the numbers. The function display the result message, close the graphics mode, and exit from the program. The main function check if the number is drawn. At the end, it will show message of congratulations with the player name. And the check winner function The function check if any of the two players has won the game or not. This method will check if the number is valid or invalid, means the type number is available in the game or not. If the number is invalid, then it will show the error message that number is invalid, you can try again. It will check that who will win this game. And the main function, capital M, oh sorry, I write a small m, but this is capital M. This function will print the name of the game, like Tic Tac Toe grade. First it will show the name of the game, then player's name and symbols, which player has the X symbol and which player has the O symbol. This method will show the number which are available in this array. Okay, and here is the result which we will give this game. Results, I made this square array which have number from 0 to 9. Then I made method to show the result in the Tic Tac Toe game. In the main function, I use the if else statement to check the number is available in the array or not. If the number is present, then it will show the symbol of that player who played the turn of the game. Okay, and here is the result. I add this screenshot over here. If the player repeats the number, then it will show the invalid number. Try again. I told you before. Here are the screenshot which I made, and this it will show ask the user, ask the player to enter the number. If that number is repeats or that number is not available in the array, then it will show like that, invalid move, try again. And if no one is win, then it will show game is over. You can see here like that. And if one player is win, like the player 2 is win, then it will say congratulations to them, because he win this game by doing diagonal. Okay, and at the end, when player gives the choice, check mirror will check that this number is available in the array or not. Then it will give message to the next move. And here I made slide for discussion. I made this Tic Tac Toe game. I did all the functionality which I can do. The player will win this game if their signs are matched, horizontal, vertical or diagonal. I add the function which are needed in this game, such as message for players, numbers matching with if and else statements. Moreover, I made grid of 3 by 3 square, so number will show player choices, all game is worked properly. Next time I will add more functionality in this game, such as colorful grids. We can do more improvements in the innate. So now is the conclusion. I made this C++ project on one game, that is Tic Tac Toe game. Tic Tac Toe is also called Knots and Cross game. It is a very popular game, so I decided to make project on it. It is played by two players. Two signs are given to the players. One is X, another is O. They play their move according to their turn. One player can win this game. If no one is win, then the game will withdraw. If they want to play again, they can play. So this is the simple Tic Tac Toe game that I made in this project. Okay, and here is the design of that project. And here is all the code. You see, thank you.